y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a product review for y'all on two products actually. So one of them I have kind of tried like twice. The other one I just got in the mail, and I haven't tried it. So the first one is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Mascara in Burgundy. And I was super excited to try this because Burgundy complements my hazel eyes really well. So I'm going to use that today and kind of give y'all my thoughts on it if you were interested in trying that, because it is a new color. I think they've had like the blue before, but this is a new shade I think they just came out with. And then the other one is an eyeliner that I got off Amazon. I saw an article online about it, how it's like an amazing eyeliner for really cheap. And it is, so on the Amazon order it says Nicola Makeup Waterproof Leopard Shell Liquid Eyeliner. This is what it looks like. But then on here it says Gaotang Eyeliner in black. I don't really know, I'm not 100% sure what the brand is. I'm a little confused, but it's $1.46. So for $1.46, if this is a good liquid eyeliner, if you know me, you know I'm excited about that. So it is just a liquid liner. And then this side up at the top, it unscrews and it's like a pencil liner. So yeah, so we're gonna just do a really quick makeup look. I have my regular makeup, or not my regular makeup, I have my face and eyebrows on, and so we're just gonna do some eye makeup today. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not real sure what kind of eyeshadow. Part of me like doesn't want to do eyeshadow, but then the other part of me does. I think I'm gonna do real simple neutral makeup, because for the L'Oreal Mascara, sometimes the few times that I've used it, if you do like a bright shadow behind it, it doesn't show up so well. So I'm thinking if I do more muted, it might look better. So I think I'm going to use my Naked 3 today. So I'm going to zoom y'all in and then we'll go ahead and get started. Into the Naked palette, and I'm going to grab Limit on a fluffy blending brush and just put that in my crease as our transition. Just kind of put that all over in the crease and a little bit on the lid. And then we're going to take Nooner, which is a little bit darker, kind of like gray toned brown shade, and put that in our crease. And then just blend it out. The brush that the palette comes with, I'm just going to take the like shadow side of it and pick up a little bit of Nooner and sweep that under my lash line. For the lid, because I do want to keep this look simple, for the lid I just want to do like a highlight color, like a shimmery gold. So I have this Becca, it came in like a little set. It's a Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight. It's just like a cream highlight kind of thing. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure what it is, but I'm gonna put that on my lid and then kind of set it with a shimmery, this is Ciate highlight sample thing in Moon Dust. So I'm gonna set it with that. So we're just gonna put this on our lid. And then I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Kind of intensifies it. Alright, and then I'm going to take that shadow brush again and then just kind of go through the crease a few times just to kind of soften it up a little bit. Now on to the eyeliner. I'm going to take the pencil part and tightline my eye real quick. So for when I do winged liner or liquid liner, I do the lid and then I do the wing. So. I like I guess this is like a felt tip. It goes on real easily. Really easy. It's a very opaque liner too, like one swoop and it's enough. Because sometimes with eyeliners, I feel like you have to go over it a few times to get the darkness that you like. But I feel like with this you don't have to do that. So let's do a wing. Some of it did get on my eyelashes, which with real liquidy liners like this sometimes that happens for me, and I just don't know how to avoid it, so I'm just kind of cleaning that off right now. Oh, that took me about half the time that it normally takes me when I use my eyeliner that I've been using, and I think that's really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then I'll be back to do mascara. Really like it. I'm a fan. First impressions, real good. Dries down really good. It doesn't feel like it's one that is gonna move, you know, because sometimes I have problems with it like bleeding. Like I said, didn't really have to do multiple swipes over to really get it a nice black. And it took me half the time, I feel like, to do this than with my other one. So, mascara. Let's do this. It's burgundy. So I'm gonna put, maybe I should zoom y'all into my eyes a little bit more, because it's burgundy, but it's not like super bright. You can definitely tell I don't have on black mascara. So let's put on some of this. It's a really nice mascara. I might have to try the black version. I try to coat both sides with this. I don't normally with like other mascara. I don't know. Color mascaras I have tried before. Not many, but when I was probably in middle school. When I was in middle school, I had a hard candy brand bubblegum pink mascara that I wore to middle school. So it probably explains a few things about my middle school career. This is very, like I said, subtle, but I feel like with this look it looks really pretty. It's a little bit of fall. It's not, I mean, when you have dark lashes, like, you can only get so much color change, you know? Final thoughts. Eyeliner. Love it. Highly recommend it. I'll try to link it down below. The mascara, it's pretty. It's not like if you were expecting to get it and it be like boom, Burgundy Mascara. That might not be what happens. If you, I have worn it, when I wore it before, I've worn it twice. I think one of the times I did it by itself, no other eye makeup, and I feel like you can tell just as much as when you do regular makeup, but like I said, more muted stuff kind of helps better, but it is really pretty. It's a really pretty mascara. If you want to pick up the black, I would recommend it. It's very pretty, but maybe I'll do, I feel like in the sunlight when you're out and about in the day and in different lightings, it would be very pretty. Am I overwhelmed by it? No. Am I underwhelmed by it? Not really. I'm just whelmed. Can you just be whelmed? But I'm gonna keep using it. I like it. I really like how this look turned out today. Like, I'm just feeling fall. I will have links for both of these down below. If you haven't seen my video from last week, it was super fun recreation from a look I did 7 years ago when I was a sophomore in high school, and that was real fun to film, and I had some fun with that. So check that out. I'll have it linked down below also. If you're not already subscribed and part of the fam here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My social medias are down below. My Instagram, if you're not already following me there, go check it out. I post a lot of makeup looks on there that, like, I do sometimes just when I'm bored. I'll post them on there rather than filming a whole video for y'all here. So I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, weekend, week, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!